color range. Color range is simply a selection tool that you use in place of magic wand, and it's really better because it gives you a little more control on your selection. So we're going to do something simple by just choosing this blue background. So we're going to go to select, color range, and our dialog box opens. So automatically, how are we going to select this? Are we going to use sample colors with our eyedropper tool that we are already on here? Or are we going to choose a variety of colors that are available to us? Well, we're going to stick with sample colors right now. We also want to check localized color clusters because that lets us make contiguous selections, and clearly all this blue touches, so we want to do that. Now our fuzziness, the higher we go with fuzziness, the higher range of colors are selected. So we're going to just leave it at 107. The bad thing about Magic Wand is you would use tolerance to choose that range of colors, and then you couldn't go back and really change that. You'd have to just kind of, it was trial and error. But with fuzziness you can actually see what you're doing, because down here you can do a selection preview and make it a white matte so that everything that is excluded is shown in white, and a black matte would be everything excluded is shown in black, and grayscale is everything that is selected is in shades of gray. And then finally a quick mask where everything that is it's a transparent red mask is over the excluded areas. So we're going to leave it on a white mask because what we want is that blue. Now we're going to take a look. Right now it shows our leaf is completely out and excluded, and so we don't need to use the other eyedropper tools. But let's say that it had left off a certain area that we wanted to include. Well, we could click on this add to sample and then add some more, go to that spot and click on it. Or if we needed to take away, we could click on the subtract from sample, and it's just an eyedropper tool with a minus, eyedropper tool with a plus. And then once we have our selection, we would save it, and then later we could open up color range and load that selection. We're going to click OK, and then it should pop us out and make the selection of the entire blue. And as you can see, everything but the leaf is selected. Now that's color range. Basically, in a nutshell, that's what you do with it. You can do ranges, and it helps with all kinds of, like if you want to change backgrounds and change reds to blues or magentas to cyans or something like that. Just you don't like the colors in your photo. It's a great tool. It stands great for instead of going with Magic Wand.